Imagine stepping outside after a storm and seeing fish falling from the sky. Or witnessing thousands of whales, dolphins, or birds suddenly turning toward death, as if obeying an invisible command. In some corners of the planet, animals refuse to decay, while others gather in perfect circles, moving in endless motion that no one can explain. These are not stories from mythology or fiction. They are real events, documented, studied, yet still wrapped in mystery. Tonight, we'll take you on a journey through the top 8 strangest animal phenomena on Earth. Top 8. Raining fish phenomenon. Hidden deep in the heart of Central America, in a small Honduran town called Lloro, something extraordinary happens every year. When the heavy rain clouds gather over the jungle and thunder rolls across the hills, the impossible begins. Fish start falling from the sky. Locals call it lluvia de peces, or the rain of fish. During one of these storms, hundreds of small silver fish appear scattered across the muddy streets and fields, still flapping as if they had just leapt from a river. For generations, the people of Lloro have seen it not as a strange event, but as a divine blessing, a miracle sent from heaven to feed the hungry. They even hold a yearly festival to celebrate it. But could there be a scientific explanation? Some meteorologists believe that powerful waterspouts or tornadic updrafts might suck fish from shallow waters and carry them high into the clouds before releasing them miles away. Others, however, argue that the fish species found in Lloro don't actually live in any nearby river, suggesting that something else, something unknown, might be at work. Whether it's a quirk of weather or a gift from the gods, the rain of fish remains one of the planet's most astonishing and unexplained animal phenomena. A gentle reminder that nature still holds mysteries far beyond our understanding. Top 7. Sheep circling behavior. In a remote region of northern China, a farmer woke up one morning to find something deeply unsettling. Hundreds of sheep walking in a perfect circle. They kept moving hour after hour, day after day, for nearly 2 weeks, never breaking formation, never stopping. The footage quickly spread around the world. To many, it looked like a ritual, or perhaps a warning, as if the animals sensed something we humans could not. Scientists rushed to explain the mystery. Some suggested a bacterial infection called listeriosis, which can affect the brain and cause disorientation or repetitive behavior. Others proposed it was a response to magnetic field changes, or simply a form of herd psychology. One sheep starts circling, and the rest follow, trapped in a hypnotic loop. But for those who witnessed it, there was something more profound, almost eerie, about the way hundreds of animals moved together, united by an unseen force. Was it disease, instinct, or a sign of nature trying to tell us something? No one truly knows. What remains is a haunting image, a living spiral of wool and dust. Top 6. Mass bird deaths. Across the world, there are nights when the sky falls silent, and then, in an instant, it rains birds. From the streets of Arkansas in the United States to small towns in Italy and Sweden, thousands of birds have been found lying dead on the ground, their lifeless bodies scattered across streets and fields. Witnesses describe the scenes as horrifying, a flock that seemed to fly as one, only to plummet suddenly, without warning. Scientists have tried to explain these mysterious deaths. Some point to sudden weather changes, others to fireworks or loud noises that shock the birds mid-flight. There is also speculation about magnetic field disruptions, which could confuse the bird's natural navigation. Yet in many cases, no clear explanation emerges. The bird's deaths remain an eerie reminder that the natural world can act in ways that are beyond our understanding. When thousands of birds fall at once, it is as if nature itself is sending a message, a chilling spectacle that reminds us even the creatures we see every day can surprise us in ways that defy reason. Top 5. Mass beaching of whales and dolphins. Along coastlines around the world, a haunting sight unfolds. Dozens, sometimes hundreds, of whales or dolphins stranded on the sand, their massive bodies heaving in the shallow water, unable to return to the ocean. These mass strandings have been documented for centuries, from the beaches of New Zealand to the shores of Scotland, and even in remote islands across the Pacific. Scientists have studied this phenomenon extensively. Some believe sonar from ships or military exercises may disorient the animals. Others point to diseases or injuries that drive a pod ashore together. There is also speculation about geomagnetic anomalies, which could confuse the animal's natural navigation. But despite all research, no single explanation fits every event. Each mass stranding is a haunting reminder of nature's fragile balance and the mysterious forces that govern life beneath the waves. For those who witness it, there is something profoundly tragic and awe-inspiring about an entire community of sentient creatures moving together, yet trapped by circumstances beyond their control. These beaches, littered with giants of the deep, a reminder that even the largest, most intelligent creatures can fall victim to the unknown. Top 4. Raining frogs. Imagine walking through a quiet village after a heavy storm, only to discover the ground covered in hundreds of small frogs. This phenomenon, known as the raining frogs, has been reported in countries such as Serbia, Greece, and even parts of the United States. Residents are often startled. How could frogs possibly appear from the sky? Scientists suggest that strong winds, waterspouts, or localized tornadoes may lift frogs from ponds or streams, carrying them into the clouds before releasing them miles away. Yet, in some cases, the frogs appear when there is no storm at all, leaving researchers puzzled and questioning how it really happens. Beyond the scientific explanations, there is a sense of wonder, as though nature itself is orchestrating a surreal spectacle. For the villagers, it is sometimes seen as a sign of good fortune, a mysterious blessing delivered by the storm. Whether it is weather, biology, or something still unexplained, the phenomenon of raining frogs remains one of Earth's most bizarre and astonishing animal events. Top 3. Butterfly storms. In certain regions of Mexico and Texas, every year a breathtaking natural spectacle takes place. Millions of monarch butterflies gather in dense clouds, creating what appears to be a living, moving storm of color. Known as butterfly storms, this migration is one of the most remarkable phenomena in the animal kingdom. The butterflies travel thousands of miles, with each generation somehow finding the same overwintering sites as their ancestors. Scientists are still unraveling the mysteries behind this incredible navigational ability. They point to a combination of sunlight, magnetic fields, and genetic memory, but no explanation fully captures the precision and beauty of their journey. For observers on the ground, the sight is magical, a swirling mass of orange and black wings dancing through the sky in perfect synchronization, as if guided by an invisible hand. The butterfly storm reminds us of the delicate balance between fragility and resilience, showing that even the tiniest creatures can create a spectacle of astonishing magnitude, and that nature, in all its complexity, continues to inspire awe and wonder. Top 2. Elephant graveyard. For centuries, legends have told of mysterious places in Africa known as elephant graveyards, hidden valleys where elephants supposedly go to die. These tales describe majestic herds traveling great distances, seeking secluded spots to pass away together, leaving behind vast piles of bones, tusks, and memories of generations. While no verified elephant graveyard of this scale has been documented, biologists acknowledge that elephants do show remarkable behaviors near death. They may visit the bones of deceased relatives, touching and caressing them in ways that suggest mourning and memory. Scientists believe these rituals could indicate a profound awareness of life and death, rare among animals. It's a combination of instinct, social bonds, and possibly even grief. For centuries, the elephant graveyard has captured human imagination, a symbol of mystery, reverence, and the deep connection between life, death, and the natural world. Whether legend or fact, it reminds us that even the largest creatures on Earth may have a secret world of ritual and emotion hidden from our eyes. Top 1. Mass animal suicides. Among the most mysterious and unsettling phenomena in the animal kingdom are instances of mass animal suicides. Across the world, countless species, from whales and dolphins to lemmings and even birds, have been observed engaging in behaviors that lead to their collective deaths. Some of the most striking examples include whales beaching themselves in massive numbers, or flocks of birds plunging into lakes and rivers without apparent reason. Lemmings, long rumored to jump off cliffs, demonstrate sudden synchronized movements that sometimes end tragically. Scientists have explored possible explanations: environmental changes, disorientation due to sonar or magnetic fields, disease, stress, or even chemical pollution affecting behavior. Yet in many cases, no single cause fully accounts for the scale or precision of these events. What makes these phenomena truly haunting is the sense of intentionality and unity, as if entire communities of animals are making choices we cannot comprehend. Mass animal suicides remain one of Earth's most chilling mysteries. Nature holds forces beyond human understanding, and that life, fragile and interconnected, can follow paths both beautiful and terrifying. From fish falling from the sky to entire communities of animals acting in ways that defy explanation, Earth is full of wonders that challenge our understanding of life. As we explore these mysteries, we are reminded of the fragility, resilience, and astonishing diversity of all living creatures. Perhaps the greatest lesson of all is humility, that even in a world we think we know, nature still holds secrets beyond our imagination, waiting to be discovered. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 10 strangest animal phenomena on Earth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and keep looking at the world with curiosity and wonder.